So Rebecca and I are just going for a little walk, doing a little vlog test with the Sony ZV-1. I'm shooting in 4K with active stabilization on, using the electronic V&D. How's it look? Does it crop in too much? Just gotta jump. Just go for one single lunge. Step in the middle and then jump over. Just don't get your New Balance wet. Be a hipster crime. Is it zoomed in too far, or is it just cropped in a lot? You can only get so wide in 4K on active stabilization. Alright, we're filming in Aperture Priority. Everything's auto besides that. How does the white balance look?
We can't even tell.
We can't really tell. The sun's pretty bright behind us. The screen's a little bit dim, filming in 4K. How does the internal mic sound? We had some crazy flooding here not long ago where pretty much this whole river was roaring. We're not really at the main part right now, we're just kind of on a couple of these side streams. But we can already see the damage. It's pretty crazy. It's kind of scary. I remember the first day where it really flooded. Rebecca and I walked down to the river and it was just insane, like full-on trees were floating down. The devastation was nuts. Farm fields overflowed and a lot of cattle was lost. What do you think about this? The erosion and whatnot? Does it look that bad over here?
It looks different.
It looks different. I wonder what the main river part looks like.
The part we go to every day?
Yeah. No, I'm not talking. I mean, in this general area, just across the...
Like over where they are?
Yeah. Should we walk down there?
I'll walk about.
Alright, let's go check it out. It's a nice little beach here now, hey?
Mm-hmm.
Sandy.
Have a nap here.
Yeah, do a little sun tanning. Looks nicer than it feels. Rebecca and I want to say a huge thank you to all
800?
all 800 of you that have subscribed. We just saw today that we reached 800, so we're really grateful, really excited. We're happy to keep making some more videos and connecting with you guys on YouTube. We're getting close to 1,000.
200 more.
200 more. I wonder how long that'll take. A year? 2 years? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Each time one of you subscribes, we get really stoked. Anything else we should say? Let us know what type of videos you guys want to see more of. Are you enjoying the wedding content, gear reviews, lifestyle? Let us know in the comment section. We're stoked. Thanks for being a part of this journey. And let us know what you think of this vlog test. It's on the Sony ZV-1. Just picked it up not long ago. I'm really liking the quality for sure. I mean, I'm so used to having all the settings dialed in manually, but shooting pretty much all automatic with Aperture Priority, it's interesting. Sometimes it overexposes, underexposes, but generally it does really good with this camera. Are we lost?
Yeah.
I think we went off the path. Well, thanks for following along on this little sunny afternoon walk in cold January. I'll be coming out with another video next week. Got some cool things coming, so keep an eye out for those. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. See ya. Before I go, actually Rebecca did get her hipster New Balances all muddy, so now she's washing them in the stream.
Really dirty.
That sucks.
I know.
Okay, anyways, see you guys.